Quick service is it's something we're pretty proud of actually. We've put a lot of time and effort into it. You bring your car in, we'll do a full franchise quality service, including a wash and vacuum. A quick service is an hour service, so in that hour you can wait with us in our lovely waiting room. We've got Wi-Fi, TV, coffee, or we're right here in the inner city. A few minutes walk up the road is Riverside, so while your car's here for an hour, there's so much to do. The quick service is carried out by 2 technicians who are specifically trained to do that. We do all makes and models of light vehicles, so parts, service, the whole lot for all modern vehicles. Along with the quick service, we've got the latest in automatic car wash machine. We can organise pick up and delivery for you from anywhere in the Christchurch area. Included with every quick service, which is really important, they road test the vehicle around the block just to make sure it does drive how it should. It's quite impressive to watch them do the service as well as they do. So. But also backing them up is our service advisors, our groomers, and that whole team comes together to make sure that we get that vehicle serviced to a really good standard and in a really efficient time.